turn off my music so we can get into the video. Today I'm not really making a meals. I'm making more so what I eat when I'm on carnivore. Which I had to start back up. I prefer carnivore anyway because I easily get my protein. I'm not gonna tell y'all about all the benefits of carnivore and get into all of that because I'm not the most educated person to talk about it. But what I will say is y'all should look up carnivore or carnivore diet. Most of them don't like to call it a diet because they say it's a lifestyle. But you can look up carnivore videos. I was watching this one girl on YouTube. Her name is Steak and Butter Girl. She made carnivore videos, and she also have doctors featured on her channel, and they basically give you insight into why carnivore is good for you, like really keto in general, why a low carb diet is good for you. I really like carnivore because I work out a lot too, and it's easy to get my protein in. I have not been carnivore for a few months now. It's because a lot has been happening, and y'all, I will tell y'all, carnivore is so hard to stick to, but once you get into the groove of things, it's so easy to do. Like, you literally start craving meat. You don't have no cravings for sugar. Like, I didn't have so many benefits happen with carnivore. My digestion just works perfectly. Like, skin clear from head to toe. Like, you don't have to use any type of acne products no more. Literally, carnivore is a real game changer. I said I wasn't gonna get into all the benefits, but that's just a little peep for y'all for why I do it. It just has really changed stuff for me, and I just feel like too, it stopped my sugar cravings. Y'all, I had a real bad sweet tooth, and carnivore literally eliminates it. I'm not worried all day about food and being hungry, and that's my favorite part about it. So today we cooking one of my favorite carnivore meals. I might just caption this video a high protein meal because I know a lot of people don't care to go carnivore, but if you want to go carnivore, hey. But if you're just looking for a high protein meal, which this is, then this video is for you. And so basically today I'm just cooking on the real some hamburger with bacon and cheese. I love eating these patties. Usually when I go out, if I had to eat two, when I was on carnivore a few months ago, I used to just always order patties. It's just the most convenient meal ever when you go out, because you know most of y'all be thinking, oh, when I'm on a diet I can't eat certain foods, or I'll go out with people, what should I eat? And my literal go-to was patties. So let's get straight into this video. Just come along with me, cook a little quick meal. And don't mind my kitchen. The kitchen is a little bit of a mess. It's not too messy because I just load the dishwasher, but it's a little bit messy, you feel me? Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off with 80-20 ground beef. What is this? I'm starting off with 85-15 ground beef from Ortiz. Y'all, so I'm big. I just came back from the gym, so I had to put that in the refrigerator. I mean, no, I came back from the beach, so I had to put that stuff up in the refrigerator. But I'm about to cook really quick because I'm about to leave back out and go to the gym. Okay, this meal has roughly about 40 grams of protein and around the 400 to 500 calorie mark. It really just depends on how much meat you use and how much cheese. But I think that ratio from calorie to protein is really hitting. And as I stated before, I'm carnivore right now. I try to be stricter with it, so I don't use seasonings. I know that sounds crazy, but if you use a fattier cut of meat, that should make it taste just as good. I just use salt. I low-key overcooked that bacon. Please do not judge me, y'all. Please, please, please. But yeah, and after that, I headed off to the gym. I'm sorry I had to rush y'all. But the food was so good. Like, I'm not kidding. So I couldn't end off the video earlier because I had to go to the gym like I told y'all. I'm gonna end off the video now. I had already ate before I went to the gym. I actually hurried up and ate, which probably wasn't the best idea to do, especially since I was working out. I was nauseous the whole workout, which is a no-no. Yeah, but it was really good. Usually I use 90-10 ground beef, but this time I used 85-15 ground beef, which made it like so juicy and because usually I get my juice from broth, but I didn't have none. That was supposed to be a secret, but it don't matter. Usually I use bone broth when I cook my hamburger meat. This time I used 85-15 ground beef, and it was like so good. And since I'm here, I'm actually about to show y'all the protein I have. This is the protein powder I use. It's literally perfect for carnivore because it's just made out of beef. That's it. It's no other additives. It's supposed to go smoothly down your stomach. It's unsweetened. It has 130 calories for 32 grams of protein. Like, that's a steal. Like, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Like, if y'all not even doing carnivore just for regular, this makes your gut feel so good. Like, when I started drinking it, my bloating went down so much. And y'all, I swear, when I had posted it, it was like 2 people that commented, like, expecting it to be expensive, you feel me? And I don't know if other people's viewing it thought it was expensive too. I had told them, revealed to them, okay, that it was really only $20. Like, this whole thing, y'all can see it, this whole thing was literally only $20. Like, it literally tastes like a bone broth. I don't know, it's just like a miracle in a package. And I'm not even getting paid to promote this at all. I literally just found this because my brother told me about it. He told me I should try it because certain stuff that I was dealing with, I couldn't really have regular protein powders. So I tried it, and I swear, like, I will use this forever. Like, True Nutrition did this thing. I'm about to go, y'all, now because I gotta take a shower, okay, and get this sweat off of me. So y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay pretty, stay blessed, stay kind, stay a little bit wretched just in case stuff get ugly. And bye, y'all.